Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to go over some vocabulary for our new unit in early Michigan history. The first word or vocabulary term that we're going to go over is American Indians. These are the first people to live on the land which became the United States. And then down below, there is an example. American Indians are also known as Native Americans. And this is just a photo of what Native Americans looked like. The next word is artifacts. These are the things from the past that are left behind, and people study them. Artifacts can be anything from old tools, dishes, and buttons. Here are some examples of artifacts left behind. We have some tools in the middle, some dresses. Looks like we have some knives and pottery and some jewelry. People of the Three Fires. This is an alliance of three similar Native American groups in Michigan. The three groups were the Ottawa, the Potawatomi, and the Ojibwe. They are known as the people of the Three Fires. On this slide, there are some photos of each tribe. And here is Michigan. On this map, the pink represents where the Potawatomi lived. The green represents where the Ottawa lived, and the yellow represents where the Ojibwa lived. Culture is the way of life of a group of people. For example, the people of the Three Fires had cultures that were very much alike. The word culture is demonstrated here. Here's the world, and there's all different people around it. Those are resembling different cultures. We have the Indian culture, the American Indian culture. The Dutch wear these wooden shoes, Hawaiian culture, Chinese culture, Mexican culture, Islamic culture, African culture, and another Chinese photograph of what they might celebrate. An archaeologist is a special historian who studies the artifacts of the past. So these are the people that find the artifacts like bones and tools and old building sites. On this slide, you'll see our archaeologists at work looking for the artifacts. An alliance is a group of people who come together to help each other when there are problems. The three The people of the three fires formed an alliance, so they came together and helped each other. Human environment interaction is the way in which people use and interact with the earth. For example, when people build new roads, they are interacting with the earth. So here's a bridge. Here's many different roads and bridges. Here we're interacting with the earth. Looks like we're clearing some land and we're interacting with the earth. Here's some buildings, and then this is a canal. And that's how they're traveling through. Natural resources. Most of you might remember us talking about this in one of our previous units. Natural resources are the things in nature that people find useful. So, water, soil, and trees are all natural resources, and this is what the American Indians used daily to survive. So, they used wildlife, they used the forests or the trees, and they used the water that was available to them and soil. Adapting to the natural environment. When people change to fit the environment, people in Michigan wear warm coats, hats, and mittens to fit the environment in the winter. So here is a picture example of people adapting to the cold weather because it's not always cold here. And here is another picture of the summer, and here they're wearing shorts and they look like they're going to the beach. Modifying the environment is when people change the environment to fit them. So, people in Michigan modified the environment by cutting down trees to clear land for farming. So, it's very similar to human environment interaction. So, here the people are clearing the land so that they can farm.